Now that the 18th round is done, let's find the first stitch, crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet the 19th round, 1 chain, then 5 single crochets and 1 decrease. A decrease is denoted by the letters DEC. Then repeat this pattern 6 times. Slip stitch. After the 19th round, there will be 36 stitches. First, 1 chain. Next, crochet 5 single crochets. After 5 single crochets, find the first stitch and crochet a slip stitch. After 5 single crochets, crochet a decrease. Let's look at how to crochet a decrease. The half loop near the thumb is called the front loop, and the half loop near the middle finger is called the back loop. We pick the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. Then pick the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. This is how to crochet a decrease. Next, let's crochet the second set. First, crochet 5 single crochets. After 5 single crochets, find the front loop of the next stitch. Pick the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, yarn over the hook and pull through the 2 loops. In this round, the main thing is to learn the decrease method. Okay, we have 4 more sets to finish. The 19th round is now done. Find the first stitch and crochet a slip stitch. Crochet a chain and pull the loop a little larger. Next, we attach the eyes. The slip stitch yarn is placed at the back. The eyes are attached to the front. The eyes are attached between round 7 and 8, with 6 stitches in between. Let's find the position first. Okay, between round 7 and 8 means this row. We find the middle position. Okay, in this position. This is round 7 and this is round 8. We attach them to this row between round 7 and 8, 6 stitches apart. Count 6 stitches to the left, 3 stitches to the right. Take these 6mm eyes and attach the eyes to these two positions. Then fasten the safety back on the reverse side. Okay, let's continue crocheting the 20th round. Tighten the loop. The pattern for the 20th round is 1 chain, then 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets, repeat 6 times. After the 20th round, there will be 30 stitches. Let's crochet. First crochet 2 single crochets. Okay, next crochet 1 decrease. Next 2 single crochets. Two single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets. Follow this pattern and repeat it 6 times. Let's crochet the second set. Notice that between 2 decreases there are 4 stitches. So the pattern for this round is a decrease every 4 stitches. The 20th round has been completed. Next, let's crochet the 21st round. The 21st round is 1 chain stitch, then 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. After the 21st round, there will be 24 stitches. So let's crochet it. First 3 single crochets, then 1 decrease. Follow this pattern, 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, to finish the entire round.